Hello aviators, how are you today? My name is Magnar Nordahl and I am reporting from Dubai. As you know, the situation here in Middle East is very tense and people are advised to stay indoors and also follow messages on SMS from the authorities. I'm safe. I'm staying in a hotel halfway between Dubai airport and Abu Dhabi airport. And the only thing I can see is desert and a few buildings. So I feel very safe here. My family, they are more worried than I am, saying it that way. I have heard that was 10 in the morning yesterday. I heard some distant booms. Whether these were explosions or supersonic booms, I cannot tell. I've seen one F-16 patrolling overhead. Apart from that, very quiet at my place. My company has decided to postpone all operations, so we all are staying safe indoors. The reason is that a lot of missiles and drones have been intercepted over the airspace here, and parts from those missiles and drones have been falling down over populated areas, causing some damage and injuries. Media reports 3 fatalities, which is very sad. And there have been incidents at both airports in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And whether those drones or missiles have been targeting civil targets, I cannot tell. Apparently, they have been falling down after being shot down. However, in Jebel Ali port, that's one of the biggest ports in the Middle East, there have been a big explosion. Apart from that, in fact, very quiet, but a lot of disturbance. Businesses are shut down. The airspace over Emirates is closed, affecting a lot of travelers. I'm staying in a hotel and there are guests here who should have left but now are stranded until further. We don't know when this will end. We just have to be patient. Meanwhile, I am preparing a new video. I haven't produced many videos for YouTube, but I hope I can be more productive in the future. And that is all for this time. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and happy landing.